Hey everyone, I'm facing a peculiar issue with my GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Extreme graphics card, and I need your help to troubleshoot this problem. When I boot up my PC, everything seems normal. Games run smoothly, and the RGB lighting on my 2080 Ti looks fantastic. However, after a few minutes, things take a bizarre turn. The RGB lights start flashing wildly, creating an erratic light show that's driving me crazy. To make things more interesting, the fans on my RTX 2080 Ti randomly stop and start again, adding to the chaos. I've tried various troubleshooting steps, such as reseating the card, updating drivers, and adjusting fan curves. But nothing seems to fix the issue. I'm starting to worry that my graphics card might be failing. The games are still playable, and the graphics output seems fine. But the constant light show and fan interruptions are making me question the card's health. So, I'm reaching out to the tech-savvy community out there. Have any of you experienced this behavior with your graphics card? Do you have any insights into what might be causing the RGB lights and fans to go haywire? I'd really appreciate any suggestions or tips you might have for troubleshooting this issue. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed or found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope we can collectively figure out what's going on with my RTX 2080 Ti. Until next time, happy gaming.